Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Low Standard Garage. This morning we're over here at Buddy Junior's house. What are you working on, Junior?
What? Fucking my truck, why? Fuck you so close for?
What?
You trying to see up my nose, motherfucker?
I'm not that close, bro.
Jesus. We're cleaning trucks today.
Well, you gotta tell me that. You gotta tell me. Cleaning the truck?
Yeah, we're cleaning
Just pick it up, give me a little information about it. Come on, bro.
It's a stock 08 Duramax. What else you want to know?
Stock 08 Duramax, what you got it on? I see them Hot Boy wheels. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Hot Boy status. You got any special stuff that you like using when you're cleaning?
Awesome.
Give me the rundown. Awesome. It even got it.
I think I got in Spanish version. That's Dollar General for you. My fucking forearm all wore out. Let's switch hands here.
No, not at all.
There's a whole cicada in Dad's truck. Neil, come here. Shit's got fucking oil and grease in it. It's fucking 1992.
I thought it's an 08.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Damn, bro, I've never seen somebody use Awesome to clean an entire truck.
Inside.
What are you gonna use on the outside? Windex?
No, I got that right here too. It's in the same bottle.
Jesus. Shit cleans everything, fool.
Yeah, and this ain't the Spanish version.
Weird.
I need to wash it. It's dirty. Did you see clear coat peeling from the subs? I need to get the car repainted.
All right, so here we got Ryan's car. This is Junior's brother. What you got, Ryan?
08 Volkswagen Rabbit. Bigger rims, bigger tires, bigger audio.
Got the whole extra battery and everything.
I need another one and another alternator here.
What kind of subs?
DS18, they're 12s.
Slot ported box?
Sure.
You got a slot port or is it a sealed box?
No, it's a slot port.
Yeah. Got any plans for the car?
Getting bags this summer and then turbo.
Bags and turbo, eh?
Eventually. And
you got the Hot Boy crooked Volkswagen badge. Solid.
Solid.
So 5-speed manual, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna lower, you're gonna bag it,
Yep.
turbo it.
Yeah.
You gonna keep it the same color?
I'm gonna wrap it because the clear coat keeps peeling off from the sub.
I don't blame you there.
Don't sit that seat, stupid. It's wet.
He sure did sit right in that too.
Yeah, he sat in that seat. I need the vacuum so I can vacuum it out. It's an easy way of shampooing.
What do you need? What do you need a vacuum for, dude? Just spray some Awesome on it.
Yeah, I know. Now you got the Awesome on. Now you got to vacuum it out. You can't just leave the dirty shit sitting on the seat. It'd be like washing your fucking clothes in dirty water. You don't want to do that, do you? You know what the bad thing is?
What?
I had the seats out of this last weekend.
Mm-hmm.
And fucking, like, did the whole floor and everything, and look at it already. Fucking filthy.
Yikes.
But I didn't have Awesome. I had dog dish soap and water. And then when I start it here in a little bit, we'll go for rides in here, so.
Alright, sounds good.
And I gotta pull it up here to wash this.
Alright guys, we're at Nick's now. We're gonna paint the hood on the Subaru, so we're gonna run and get some paint. Where are we going?
Depends how far you want to drive.
We're gonna go to the store and get some paint. That's all that matters. We're gonna paint the hood and the hood scoop, so when we get back, we'll give you a rundown on that and get to it. All right, guys, so we made it back to Nick's house. About to pull the hood off the Subaru and paint it. I don't know if the camera, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the fenders, that's a long story, but the fenders and the front bumper are all a different shade of white from the hood. And then obviously the hood scoop is black. So we're gonna get that all the same color. We got the premium paint job going on here, of course. Rattle can, always rattle can. Best way to do it, man. Get it looking right. So we're gonna pull the hood off and get to painting that.
Damn, this hood is late.
Yeah, no doubt.
Lightweight mod.
All right, so while we're working on painting, I'm also gonna pull my grill off and my headlight out so I can mess with the ring that holds in the headlight. It's kind of messed up, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that. Oh, I'm wrong again, bro. I do this every time. It's these two tabs. That's all it is. And every time I'm like, oh, I gotta pull all those connectors out, but it's literally these two tabs. You got smaller sockets?
How small?
Like an 8?
Maybe.
All right, so I took my headlight out, took my grill off, and figured out what the issue was. The bulb was just a little weird, so it wasn't going in all the way, which is good because that means I don't need that ring for the headlight because I don't want to have to order it. So we're putting that back together. Right now, Nick's working on getting the hood scoop off of the hood, and we just keep breaking all the bolts.
You're too strong.
How many bolts did you break?
I have 3 good ones so far out of the 8.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, dog.
So once he's done with that, I'm gonna put the headlight and the grill back on. Maybe go hoon it with no hood for a minute. What do you say? In Mexico, we're gonna go to Mexico and hoon it with no hood. Yeah, because it's illegal there.
We think.
We think, but it's all right. All right, so hood and hood scoop are separated. I ended up pulling the wipers off too because that's just the way I am. I figured, you know, we're doing all this, we might as well just do one more thing, do it all together. Right now, Nick's wiping it down with Scotch-Brite, and then we're gonna paint her so it's the same white as the rest of the front end.
Hopefully.
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 Hopefully. Fingers crossed. All right, getting the hood scoop. Too bad it's super windy out today, dude. That's just making everything an issue.
Makes me don't want to paint. That's what it does.
Well, we finished up painting.
More or less.
Now we're just working on finding bolts. Put the hood scoop back on the hood.
When you have 20 years of nuts and bolts.
Yeah, so it'll take a minute.
Leaving, I'ma make a promise. You don't need me, you need a fucking dog. Faded off the powder. I will hide for hours. I will hide for hours. Faded off the powder. Faded off the powder. I will hide for hours.
You want an RGB kit or not?
Faded off the powder.
Alright guys, so we finished up on the Subaru, painted the hood scoop, painted the wipers, got the front end all matching. Driving home now, about to call it a day. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you thought. Until then, thanks for watching, see you guys on the next one.